Violence against women and children is one of the most persistent, widespread, and devastating human rights violations in the world today. It remains largely unreported due to the shame and stigma surrounding it. In general terms, it manifests itself in physical and psychological terms. In 1999, the United Nations General Assembly declared 25th of November of each year as the International Day for Eradication of Violence Against Women. This was because they understood that violence against women is an obstacle in the way of developing sustainable and inclusive societies. On the same note, the UNESCO has also preached and highlighted gender equality and non-violence. This was because they understood that a society cannot fully blossom if almost half of its citizens are living under the fear of being assaulted. Observing this day symbolizes the mobilization against violence against women and reminds us that women are to be at the center of changes brought about in the society.
Violence against women continues to be an obstacle to achieve equality, development, peace, as well as to the fulfillment of women and girls' human rights. All in all, the promise of the Sustainable Development Goals to leave no one behind cannot be fulfilled without putting an end to violence against women and girls.
Violence against women and girls is a grave violation of human rights. Its impact ranges from immediate to long-term multiple physical and mental consequences for women and girls, including death. It negatively affects the general well-being of women and prevents women from fully participating in the society. Violence not only has negative consequences for women and girls, but also their family, the community, and the country at large. It has tremendous cost from greater health care and legal expenses and losses in productivity, impacting the national budgets and overall development.
I pledge to take action to end violence against women, to learn about the facts, warning signs, and educate myself and my community. Speak up against victim blaming, discrimination, and violence to break the stigma. Donate my time and funds to help survivors have a better life for themselves and their families. Connect survivors to empowerment programs to break the cycle of violence. Listen to survivors without any judgment, affirming their trust and safety. Encourage survivors to seek and have financial independence. Reassure survivors that they are not alone, that we are here to help.
I pledge to take actions as an advocate for healthy relationships. I amplify the voices of those who have been silenced. I actively work against the oppressions and commit to being a part of the change to create a community that is safe and just for everyone.
To know right from wrong, to find a voice that is strong, to write feminist songs, to make a world where girls belong. Because I'm a girl, I must study.
I'm a girl, I must study. Long denied this right, for my dreams to take flight. Knowledge brings new light, for the battles I must fight. Because I'm a girl, I must study.
To fight men's violence, to end my silence, to challenge my patriarchy, to demolish all hierarchy. Because I'm a girl, I must study.
To mold a faith I can trust, to make laws that are just, to sweep centuries of dust, to challenge what I must. Because I'm a girl, I must study.